credit cousins, today we're talking about a bank that allows you to apply for 2 credit cards with just 1 inquiry and has insane high credit limits. But before we get into some things, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to all my first time viewers and returning credit cousins. This channel is dedicated to you all, where we get straight down to the nitty gritty from data points, credit tips, hacks, and more. So join the conversation today in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you with your questions, comments, concerns, and opinions, so definitely drop a comment, and if you can, smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. Remember, because of you, this is why the channel is blowing up, so thank you. So today we have Bank of America on the docket. Today's video will be about business credit cards with Bank of America. You do not need a banking relationship or a checking account to apply for these credit cards, but it is recommended to have one for better approvals for higher limits, because their denials could be something like insufficient deposit history. But we're going to talk about that a little bit more in the video. So I'm going to refer to Bank of America as BOA. So BOA offers 6 business credit cards to apply for. They have 5 unsecured business credit cards and 1 secured credit card. In this video, we're going to talk about the unsecured credit cards. The first is the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. You can get a $300 statement credit after you make at least $3,000 in purchases and earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice. This card does also offer a 0% APR on only purchases for the first 9 billing cycles, and there is no annual fee. Now we have the second credit card, which is the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. And with the new Unlimited Cash Reward credit card, you can earn 1.5% cash back on every expense. You can earn a sign-up bonus of a $300 statement credit after you make at least $3,000 in purchases in the first 90 days. This card does offer a 0% on purchases for the first 9 billing cycles, and there is no annual fee. Now the third card is the Business Advantage Travel Rewards credit card. If you like to travel, this card may be for you. If you apply to this card online, there is an online offer where you can earn 30,000 bonus points after you make at least 3,000 purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening, which could be redeemed for a $300 statement credit towards travel or dining related purchases. You can earn unlimited points with 1.5 points for every dollar you spend on all purchases, and earn 3 points per every dollar spent when you book your travel, which includes car, hotel, airline through the Bank of America Travel Center. This card offers a 0% on purchases for the first 9 billing cycles, and there is no annual fee. The fourth card is the Alaska Airline Business Credit Card. This card offers a sign-up bonus offer, which is 40,000 bonus miles plus Alaska Famous companion fare from $121. To qualify, you must make a $2,000 or more in purchases within the first 90 days. You also get an Alaska Famous companion fare every year. You'll get a free check bag for you and up to 6 guests on the same reservation. You'll earn 3 miles for every dollar spent on eligible Alaska Airline purchases, and unlimited 1 mile for every $1 spent on all other purchases, and you'll get to enjoy 20% back on Alaska Airline in-flight purchases when you pay with your new card. Now this card APR starts at 18.99% on purchases and balance transfer, and there is a $50 annual fee per company. And the last credit card is the Platinum Plus MasterCard Business Card. This card offers a sign-up bonus of a $300 statement credit after you make at least $3,000 in purchases for the first 90 days. This card offers a 0% APR interest on purchases only for the first 7 billing cycles, and there is no annual fee. Now, these business cards do hard pull on your personal TransUnion credit report due to it being a personal guarantor. If you made it to the end of this video, a good tip to use is if you are denied one of these business credit cards, call the reconsideration line at 877-665-5024 to ask for a reconsideration on your credit card application. Now, you may want to wait for the denial reason, but please use this line for reconsideration. It has worked and it has turned denials into approvals. Okay, so if you are denied, just call. So how can you get 2 credit cards with just 1 inquiry with BOA? So when applying for the first credit card and once you are approved, that inquiry from your first credit card application is good to apply for an additional credit card for 30 days. You can either do 2 applications at once or wait 24 to 48 hours to apply for the second credit card. If you happen to get denied for the second application, you may want to wait 48 hours and try again. You have 30 days to apply for the second credit card, and you can also ask for a reconsideration if you are denied. So please keep in mind there are some tips on going around and trying to get approved. Now keep in mind none of these credit cards have 0% APR balance transfers. The 0% on all these credit cards are just for purchases only. So this may be a good credit card for starting a business with inventory, like where you're buying inventory such as for drop shipping or with anything with buying or selling, and you can use that inventory to make quick cash. But if you're looking to turn your credit into cash with balance transfers, this may not be the best credit card for you as the APRs are not 0% for balance transfers. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know if you have tried this bank or if you plan to use this bank for your next business move. Comment down below in the comment section your results. This channel is all about learning from each other. I look forward to your feedback. Make sure to join the private group, the Credit Cousin Club as well, where we discuss data points, tips, hacks, and more with similar credit products. Everything will be in the pinned comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.